click to start button, type CMD, and guys right click to run as administrator, and then click yes. This process actually write CMD to administrator. Okay, then guys this command I all command in link in description, so you type and otherwise you copy and paste. Okay, right click, copy. Sometimes is not copy paste, you can type normal simple you can type. Okay, this command all you have around 20 minutes in give because have percentage and scan some folders. Okay, and one by one, just 1 second and third and fourth also. Okay, then close. Then guys again click to start button, go to setting, scroll down in systems, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, Windows update troubleshoot run. Okay, so please wait few minutes. When has finished, then close. Okay, then I am giving you next solutions. Okay, next solution it is guys, you can click to start button, type service. Okay, this is service icon, like setting icon, this is service icon. Okay, and then run as administrator. Scroll down, press W for Windows, and again scroll down, Windows. So this service, double click to select automatic. Okay, and then OK. Then guys select Windows update and look at here restart, so please click to restart. Okay, next solution it is guys, you can using some antivirus, so right click to block, because sometime some antivirus is blocking Windows updates, that's why not install your update. Okay, though, so firewall off and all, this is actually Windows security, so this is not blocking any Windows update. Okay, so you step by step, I already off. Okay, so you any third party like NVE, Scan, McAfee and Quick Kill, any other using, you just temporary ways you can disable. And next and last and final, this KB not installing, that is you can search on Google and manually install. Search on Google catalog, I will give in description, so you copy and paste Microsoft catalog. Then guys click to Microsoft update catalog, click this and then enter KB5019959. so then click to search, and I tell you how which one is to install, because this is all latest and this is all different update. Okay, so this is 22H2 and this is for ARM64. This is Windows 10 version 22H2 and this is okay. We want to install this one. Okay, click to link and now this is setup is installing, and then guys you check to open when done, and then next is very simple, you can install it. Okay, okay, bye bye, take care.